Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you. If you're already a subscriber, I welcome you back again. This is my second video today. I'm so sorry for my look. Excuse me, I'm tired. I have to be admitted. I have to tell you the truth. I have to admit it. I have to admit, and I have to tell you the truth. Yes, I'm tired, and so I promise to come here and show you how to do your own DIY black soap scrub. And I made a video in November 2018. I think it's on my live Instagram or Snapchat. I'm trying to remember, but the video went off anyway. So I posted it on live, and people were asking me like, "What is that? What are you mixing?" But people that that they've used my product before, they already know what I'm mixing because they know the two ingredients I was mixing up together. So what you're gonna be needing is FOLET Miracle Abba soap. You can use any black soap. If you have black soap from Ghana, anyway, just make sure it's black soap. We're talking about black soap scrub. It's not just any scrub. You understand? Like black soap scrub. So you can use any soap, any black soap we do. You can get it from Amazon. It's the same. It would do, but mine has been premixed. So I'm not gonna tell you that, oh yes, it's the same. No, it's not the same, but I'm just saying you can use any black soap that you have already. And then you will be needing your scrub. Yeah, a lot of customer that that bought from me before, they know the scrub like the back of their hands. So this is the two ingredients I'm gonna be needing: the lemon scrub and our black miracle soap. So if you have any scrub, you can even make scrub by yourself. If you have like a sugar or salt or any scrub you have will work. Trust me, it will work. So my hand has been washed. I washed my hand like about 2 minutes ago before doing this video just now. So for example, like the way I'm having like a little, like that tiny, that tiny bumps, like this one. I saw it somewhere, like this one, like time of the month. I'm always having like a little tiny bumps, like one or two, which is very normal for some people like me. So you're gonna take a scoop out of your soap. This is the soap. All you need is about, because this soap lathers so good. So be careful. This one can last you for like 2 months, depending on how you use it. So be careful. So this is all you need. And you put it right here, your pan, and the lemon scrub. This is all you need. And you want to be like one of my customer that I explained to how to make your own black soap scrub. She told me that she used 1 tablespoon of the miracle soap, and she used 1 teaspoon of the scrub, and she mixed it together and put in like a small container. So anytime she needs to scrub, she always use it. But for me, I like to do my fresh. See, this is all you need. And then you mix it right here, and then you mix it right there. Just you mix it together in your palm like this, you see. And then you can get some water. So you wet your hand like this. See, it's a little damp. And then you let it all together like this. See? And that's what I did. And I just scrub my face. Right now, I'm not ready to take my shower, But definitely, I'll be doing it tonight because this badass acne, like, time of the month will not go. So I'm going to scrub my face. And this is it. And that's the same thing I did in that video. And I promised to come here and show you to everyone. So if you have any black soap, just make sure you put some little water to make it soft, and then make sure the soap is not too strong for your skin. It's something that is suitable for your skin. And then if you have any scrub, just mix it the way I mix it, and that's it. You have your own black soap scrub. That's it. So thank you for watching, and thank you. I hope everybody that I promised on Instagram in 2018 in November, I promised to make a video for them to see how I made it, because in that video I only show like fast forward. So I was trying to make it fast, and I was just scrubbing my face, and it was like, what are you mixing? What are you mixing? And I promised to mix it right in YouTube. So That's it. And just wet your face with the warm water to open up your pores, and just scrub in circular motions, and then rinse your face, pat dry, follow up with your mask, and then use your serum and follow up with your moisturizer. You're good to go. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to contact me. And everybody that I promise that I'm gonna make a video for them for DIY black soap scrub, this is the video. I hope you like it. I love you all.